Hello and welcome to Edenhall. I'm in a fabulous little village today, just about a mile from Langwathby, a couple of miles from Penrith. The village centre is literally seconds away. We've got a lovely big village green, we've got a pub and restaurant just on there. Langwathby is about a mile away, and Langwathby has a school, a train station, pub. It's also got a supermarket. And Penrith is a couple of miles the other way. And what we've come to see today, we're just enjoying the back garden at the moment, is this gorgeous 3-bedroom detached bungalow. And it has loads of parking to the front. It's got a double garage and it also has a studio at the front as well. Inside the house, it is immaculate. 2 reception rooms, as I say, 3 lovely big bedrooms, nice kitchen diner as well. So I'm going to take you to the front, show you where it sits up this cute little lane right in the heart of the village, and then we'll take you inside. Okay, so this is the gorgeous street scene. This is the property that we've come to see, and that lane takes us down right into the centre of the village there. So the bungalow is here, and we've got so much parking here. So we've got all of this, we've got the double garage, there's a storage shed there, and then this building with the windows is the studio. So if we go in this way, we've got the vegetable patch. I'll take you around the front. We've got lawns, manicured lawns and gardens all around. So lots of different areas to sit in. Look at that tree, it's beautiful. And then round the back, you've got some incredible views. So on the back of the house, and this garden really opens up. And this is where we started the video. As you can see, on a clear day, we've actually got the pennines right there. They should be like that, massive. So they're right there. And then the garden, another seating area down there. Okay, so in we go. And we're coming to this great big welcoming hallway. As you can see, all the rooms are off here. And we'll start at this end. And we're coming to this lovely, bright living room. That's gorgeous. So we've got super bright, massive windows. Nice bay window looking out into the front garden. And then we've got this one that's got, on a clear day, views of the Pennines there. So a really nice first reception room. And then we come through into the kitchen. So loads and loads of storage in here. We've got an integrated oven, grill, the hob, there's a dishwasher in here as well. And then we come down, we've got the boiler room here with the gas boiler, little glimpse of the garden. And then we've got another fabulous reception room here. So we've got windows on all sides of this one. We've got those big double doors that are opening out into the garden. Nice wooden floors in here too. A really nice place to sit. And then we'll go along. I'll show you the bedrooms. Okay, so first room we'll come to this end is the bathroom. So a nice big bathroom. We've got the bath with the mains for the power shower over there. Again, we have more storage here. First bedroom we'll come to, and this one has an ensuite. So again, double aspect windows, we've got massive space for storage here. And into the ensuite, which has got the electric shower. A really nice sized double bedroom. to the next bedroom, which is currently set up as an office, but you'd easily get double bed in there. And then along to the third bedroom. And again, we've got a lovely big double bed in there. Okay, so there we are. If you'd like to come and see this one at Edenhall, then please give the Penrith office a call on 01768 88 1111.